Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. First, open your browser and disable hardware acceleration in the settings. Then, open Discord, go to User Settings in Advanced, and disable hardware acceleration. Now restart both your browser and Discord to apply the changes. In your browser, log in to Netflix and start playing the desired content. In Discord, go to User Settings and Activity Status. Click Add and select your browser. Join a voice channel in your Discord server. Next, click the screen icon and select the browser window where Netflix is playing. Choose your streaming settings and click Go Live to start streaming. Invite your friends to the voice channel so they can watch the stream with you. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.